Next topic is unity in diversity. In spite of all the differences, people living in India are Indians first. So though they follow different religions, though they live in different parts of our country, and their cultures are totally different from each other, but they live together, and they consider themselves as Indians first, and later on as Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. This unity has been a part of our history. People from all religions and languages have come together to participate in our struggle for freedom. So in our past also, that means with the help of different types of important leaders, we have overthrow the British rule from our country, and finally we got independence in the year 1947. So how it was possible? It was possible only with the help of unity. So all the religion people, they have come together, and they finally India was able to get its independence. Some of our famous leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lala Lajpat Rai and Bal Gangadhar Tilak came from diverse background. The freedom fighters were inspired by a single vision, that of a new and united India. So all these important leaders have played an important role so that we can get independence from the British rule, and all these important leaders, their only one vision was that if we will come together, if we are united India, we will be able to overthrow any enemy from our country. When India became independent, the leaders ensured that the unity is diversity in diversity stay preserved. So when we got independence in the year 1947, these leaders, they have assured that with the help of unity we can achieve anything, and we should preserve, and we should preserve this unity so that we can uh, live together peacefully. Today, this unity in diversity is intertwined with the very identity of India. The Indian Army, the Indian Civil Service, the national cricket, football, and other sports teams, the popular movie industry, the diversity is apparent everywhere. So with the help of these diversity, all different types of field play. All these different types of fields are connected. So with the help of diversity, all the people, whether they belong to any religion, any caste, any state, they come together, they perform their work for the country, and makes our country a diversity country. The religious as well as regional identities do not play any important role. A Muslim movie stars has a huge fan following among the Hindu population, while a Hindu cricketer is considered the ultimate hero by children belonging to all religion and region. So it doesn't mean that one particular region and one particular religion is given importance in our country, but in our country, though they follow different types of religion, but they appreciate each other. For example, especially in the film industries, if a Muslim, especially in a Muslim movie, uh, especially in a movie, the hero is the Muslim, belongs to the Muslim community, but that doesn't mean that the fan following of that particular actor will be only Muslim. No, but the Muslim actor will have Hindu people as a fan following. So similarly, if a Hindu cricketer is considered as the hero, but it is considered as a hero, but it will be appreciated by all the different types of religion and region. So that doesn't mean that only one particular religion is given importance in our country. All the people, though they follow different types of religion, they come together and they respect each other religion. Next, be a responsible Indian. As future citizen of our country, it is important that we not only understand and appreciate, but also help in upholding the unique spirit of unity in diversity of our country. So as a future citizen of our country, we are the future generation of our country. So in order to make our India a healthy and a peaceful country, we should respect and we should understand the different types of religion. We should respect each other religion, and we should always focus on the unity of our country so that we can live peacefully in our country. We should be proud of our diversity and resist those selfish interests that want to create a divide among Indians on religious, regional, and any other factor. So in order to strengthen the unity of our country, we should always come together in any situation, do not fight with each other on the basis of different types of religion, different types of region, and any other ground. No religion or region is better than other. All of them are unique and equally important for our rich heritage. So not one religion is important in our country, but all the religion and all the region plays an important role in our country, and we should respect each other because though they are unique from each other, but they are given equally importance in our country's rich heritage. When each of us will realize that our identity as Indians come before all our other identities, we can become the true citizen of our country. So in order to become a responsible and a true citizen of our country India, we should first respect each other religion, cultures, their heritage. And once we understand the importance of all the religion, all the region, and all the different types of people, though they speak different types of languages, we can become a responsible citizen. So in order to become a responsible citizen, we should respect each other religion, and once we understand that, we can live peacefully in our country India. So with this we end the chapter.